Hello students, welcome back in Art and Craft class. I hope you all are fit and healthy. In this video, I am going to teach you about the foreground and the background. Okay, the foreground, middle ground and the background is in a composition are generally divided into three planes. The foreground of a composition is the visual plane that appears closest to the viewer. Things are larger, clearer, and brighter than those behind them, while the background is the furthest from the viewer. Things seem less clear and their colors are less intense than those in both the foreground and the middle ground. So, children, it is explained here what is foreground and a background. See the painting which is given in your book. You can see foreground means foreground is seen the ground. The ground means like when we click the photographs. Any photograph we are going to click, then the means which part is very near to us, that will be seen very clear and in detail. In minute detail, we can see the nearest view of the photograph. Same way, when we draw the painting, the view which is nearby us, that is called a foreground. That we will make very dark in color and in detail. Then the middle ground. Middle ground, you can see the arrow is given in the middle ground, that water and the trees are shown, that are in the middle part of the painting. That will be seen in the means medium tone color, not too dark, not too light, but not in the detail. Then background, you can see background in the background sky is shown. Sky means this will be the color will be very light. Okay, because this is the background is the farthest from the viewer. Fine. So this was about the foreground, background and the middle ground. Same way, one more painting I am going to show you here. You can see the painting. In this painting also, background is shown in the sky color, means sky blue color. Sky is shown in background. Then middle ground. In the middle ground, you can see the ground is shown, and in the ground some trees are planted, and the trees which are planted, you cannot see the leaves, means you cannot count, or you can see the leaves, single leaves. Okay, that is shown as a bushes. And you see the foreground. In the foreground, you can count the flowers also, and the flowers petals also, and the color also, you see the color is also more darker than the background and the middle ground. So in the background, colors are very light and things are not in detail. In the middle ground, colors are medium in tone and in the detail. Then in the foreground, the colors will be more darker, that view will be more closer, and the foreground detail will be shown, and in the very minutely detail will be shown in the foreground. Okay, so it's a homework that you will also draw any one view, any view you draw, any landscape you draw, and you will show the background, middle ground and foreground through that, and you send me in my personal number. Okay, so it's your homework. So that's it, children. Take care. Goodbye.